Hello there. Welcome to our guest bathroom, also known as our kids' bathroom. It's a mess and we need to clean it. So, let's do it. I mean, it's a mess in here. Why are there Funyuns? Actually, I know why there are Funyuns there. Because one night, yes, honey, one night we just didn't want to play with our Disney toys, like our bath toys, and the only other thing I had in here with me was a bag of Funyuns, so they became a bath toy. It's not just the wrapper, it's a full bag, okay? I'm 9 months pregnant, okay? Okay? I'm doing what I can. This is Kennedy's humidifier, and I don't even know the best way to clean this. Change in plans. I'm actually going to use one of these to clean the humidifier because I need something. I found these in the TikTok shop. As you guys know, we have a very specific sponge system in our house. So the regular pink Scrub Mommy is for Kennedy's high chair. The green Scrub Daddy is for the sink. The yellow Scrub Daddy is for dishes and pans. The Summer Beach Buddies, this is for the bathroom. Get it? You see what I did there? Anyway. So I'm going to use one of these because these are honestly amazing. I was going to use it for the countertops, but I can use it for this too. Look, it's an octopus. If you guys want to check out the Summer Scrub Daddies, I will leave the link down below in the TikTok shop. I love these things. For perspective, do you see that? All right, I'm going to finish cleaning it. In the after, looks brand new. Now I'm going to use it on my counter. That gorgeous girl I see staring back at me. That's how Milan goes, right? Okay, each child here has a bucket. This is Dexter's bucket. To clean the tub, I'm gonna be using my Homika spin brush because, again, I'm 9 months pregnant, okay? I need all the help that I can get here. My spin brush, you guys are still asking me questions about it. I haven't posted about it in a month, but this is the spin brush that we use. It's from the TikTok shop by Homika. So I will leave the link to it down below in the TikTok shop if you guys want to get one. It just makes cleaning the bathroom so much easier.